Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to your YouTube channel French Minds. On this channel I keep uploading everyday French lessons for French language learners. So let's begin. So today we are going to continue with our number series 171 to 175. So let's start. 171 is pronounced in French as 171. 171. Pay attention carefully how this number has been formed. 100 means 100, 60 means 60, 11 means owns, and a means and. 171. 171. 172 is pronounced in French as 172. 172. 173 is pronounced in French as 173. 173. 174 is pronounced in French as 174. 174. 175 is pronounced in French as 175. 175. So let's revise these numbers one more time. 171 171. 171. 172 is pronounced in French as 162. 162. 173 is pronounced in French as 173. 173. 174 174. 174. 175 175. 175. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir.